Back to my channel. In this video lecture, we will cover a new chapter of physics, that is work, energy and power. So let's begin with today's video. Work. What is work? Work is done when a force produces motion in a body. Work done in moving a body is equal to the product of force exerted on the body and the distance moved by the body in the direction of force. Work is equals to force into distance, that is F into S. It is a scalar quantities, have only magnitude and no direction. SI unit is joule. 1 joule of work is said to be done on an object when a force of 1 Newton displaces the object by 1 meter along the line of action of forces. Work done by force can be positive, negative or zero. It is positive when a force acts in the direction of the motion of the body, negative when the force acts opposite to the direction of the motion of the body. It is zero when a force acts at the right angles to the direction of the motion of the body. Then energy. We define energy as the ability to do work. The amount of energy possessed by a body is the amount of work it can do when that energy is released. It is a scalar quantity and its unit is also joule. 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joules. The main form of energy are kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy, heat energy and many more. Energy are of two: kinetic energy motion, potential energy related to position. Kinetic energy, energy possessed by a body on account of its motion, is known as kinetic energy. Kinetic energy possessed by a body of mass m moving with a velocity v is given by the formula half mv square. Kinetic energy of a body is directly proportional to the mass of the body, the square of the velocity of the body. Then potential energy, the energy possessed by a body because of its position or configuration is known as potential energy. The work done in raising an object from the ground to a point against gravity is called gravitational potential energy. Potential energy of a body of mass m raised to height h above the surface of the earth is given by the formula potential energy is equal to mgh, where g is the acceleration due to gravity. Then law of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be converted from one form to the another. Sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of an object is its total mechanical energy. Power is defined as the rate of doing work or the rate of transfer of energy. Power is equals to work done upon time, or power is equals to energy consumed upon time taken. It is a scalar quantity and its unit is watt. It is said to be in 1 watt when the rate of consumption of energy is 1 joule per second. Then the commercial unit of energy. The commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is the amount of electrical energy consumed when an electrical appliance with a power rating of 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour. When 1 kilowatt is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joule of energy. 1 kilowatt hour of electric energy is commonly known as 1 unit. So this much for today's video. The derivations of these chapter will be posted afterwards. So hope you liked it and understood it well. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and comment my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.